Imagine an alien from the absolute edge of existence wants to send you a package. To get that parcel to your front door, they wouldn't use your street name or zip code. They would need your cosmic address. The final destination on that label is your planet. A planet is simply a large, solid, or gaseous body orbiting a star. For us, that's Earth, the absolute smallest unit of our cosmic location. Step one level up and you find our star. Our sun is a giant, super hot ball of burning gas. Its immense gravitational pull keeps Earth and several other planets safely anchored in place. Together, that star and the planets circling it make up our solar system. You can think of this as our immediate neighborhood, or the local street that our Earth sits on. The boundary line for our neighborhood is called the Oort cloud. It's a vast, ghostly shell made of billions of icy objects that completely surrounds our solar system like a giant frozen bubble. To us, traversing that icy bubble would take tens of thousands of years. But on a cosmic map, our entire solar system is just one single tiny house. If the solar system is a single house, a galaxy is a bustling metropolis. Our home, the Milky Way, is a sprawling collection of hundreds of billions of stars, along with massive amounts of gas and dust, all held closely together by gravity. Inside this city, you'll find nebulas. These are huge, colorful clouds of interstellar dust and gas. They act as cosmic nurseries, where the raw materials clump together until they eventually ignite to form brand new baby stars. But a delivery through this neighborhood also comes with extreme hazards. The most famous of these is the black hole, a region of space you definitely want to route a package around. A black hole happens when a massive amount of matter is packed into an incredibly tiny space. The gravity becomes so intensely dense that it acts like a cosmic vacuum. The pull is so strong that absolutely nothing, not even light, can escape it. We know these aren't science fiction. Look closely at this glowing ring. This is an actual photograph of a supermassive black hole captured in the galaxy M87. That dark center is the shadow of the black hole itself. These gravitational vacuums and colorful star nurseries serve as the standard, everyday landmarks of our galactic neighborhood. To finish our cosmic address, we have to zoom out even further. The Milky Way sits in a cluster of galaxies called the Local Group. That group belongs to a much larger web called the Virgo supercluster, which itself is just one small thread in the massive Laniakea supercluster. Put all those superclusters together, and you finally reach the top line of the address, the universe. This is the ultimate container. It holds absolutely everything that exists, every speck of matter, every burst of energy, and all of space and time. Figuring out exactly where we are is one thing, but looking at something this massive naturally leads to a different question. When did the structure begin, and how was it actually created? The best explanation we have is called the Big Bang Theory. About 13.8 billion years ago, everything in the entire universe was compressed into a single, incredibly hot, impossibly tiny point. Then it rapidly exploded outward. This chart illustrates that event. The universe started at that tiny point, expanding, growing wider, and cooling down over billions of years. As extreme heat settled, energy clumped together, gradually forming atoms, gas clouds, stars, and eventually the galaxies we see today. The universe is a dynamic, active environment. Right now, the space between galaxies is stretching, and the entire structure continues to expand with every passing second. So the alien package finally arrives at your door. But there is a twist to this journey. Every single thing we just talked about, the planets, the stars, the dust, and the black holes, all of it, combined, makes up less than 5% of the actual universe. This pie chart breaks down what is actually out there. The 5% slice is the normal matter we can see and touch. The remaining 95% is made up of two invisible, mysterious substances known as dark matter and dark energy. Even though we can't see them, we can observe what they do. Dark matter acts like a gravitational glue, pulling everything inward to hold galaxies together. Dark energy does the exact opposite, actively pushing space apart and causing the universe to expand faster. Science is an ongoing detective story. We know these dark forces exist because of how they pull and push on the things we can see, but we don't yet know what they actually are. We are doing our best to introduce ourselves to this vast unknown. We've even sent out our own cosmic addresses into the dark, etching maps onto spacecraft like the Voyager probes, hoping someone or something might find them. When you look up at the night sky, you are literally a piece of the universe looking back at itself. We've mapped out our neighborhood, but the cosmos is waiting for your generation to step up, explore, and solve the rest of the puzzle.